friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So today I wanted to do a palette bingo. I know I do a lot of palette bingos, but I really like them and you guys seem to really like them, so I'm gonna keep doing them. But I really wanted to pair the Weekend Festival from BH Cosmetics with the new Color Festival from BH Cosmetics. This is the one that launched last festival season last year, and this one just launched for this festival season. And I wanted to pair them together in a palette bingo. Thought it would be fun. We'll see what happens. Kanati's knocking everything over. Are you being a bad girl? Yeah, I thought so. This is what the inside of both of them look like. I think we could get something really fun. We could also get something super neutral, so we'll just have to see. I have high hopes. I have some blue. I have my colors behind me. I'm feeling colorful. I'm feeling very festival. Not that you'll ever catch me at a festival, but I like the vibe of the makeup looks, and that's what I want to go for. So let's hope the palette bingo gods want that too. So I'm just going to draw for the Weekend Festival first, the older one. There are 20 shades in both of these palettes, so I'm going to draw 3 from each palette, making it 6 shades total. So for the Weekend Festival, we got number 20, number 15, and number 11. So we got Swag, Electric, and Hipster. I like that we got 3 mattes right off the bat, just because that means if I happen to get 3 shimmers in that other one, I won't feel scared. But this is what we're working with so far. 2 colors, 1 neutral. And now for the Color Festival palette, we got 17, 11, and 5. So we got Queen, Hollow, and Center Stage. Wow, did I call it or what? 3 shimmers. Okay, so this is kind of the vibe we're going for. It's not nearly as colorful as I was hoping for, but you know, it's still cute. It's gonna be kind of like plummy, grungy vibes, and I think it's gonna be really cute. I don't know what look we're gonna do, as per usual. We'll just have to wait and see. I have some ideas floating in my head. I'm gonna zoom you in, prime my eyes with my Smashbox lid primer and light like usual, and we'll get started. Alrighty, so first things first, I'm going to start by dipping into that purple Swag from the Weekend Festival palette. I'm taking this on kind of an angled shadow brush, and I want to just start to create a winged-like shape in this outer corner because I want this look to be pretty winged out, I think. So I'm just gonna start dragging it just kind of through the crease as well. I'm not blending this up right now, I'm simply just placing the color, you know? What are you guys up to today? It is Wednesday as I'm filming this. I think this is going up Saturday, something like that. It's my off day from the salon, but I'm still like working, doing videos and editing and things like that. Went to the gym this morning, and that's kind of it. It's not that exciting of a day, you know? So now I'm going to take Electric, which was that light pink that we got, on just a fluffy brush. And I'm going to start blending this kind of right over top and right above, kind of, just to start blending the shade out. And then I'll just kind of go back and forth between this and the purple until it kind of looks the way I want it to. I really want to embrace these colors as much as possible because I don't want to use, I don't know, I don't want the brown neutral or that brown shimmer to take over and it look too neutral. I want it to be pretty colorful. So we're going to use these as much as we can today. Do you guys go to festivals? Have you ever been to a festival? The only thing I've technically ever been to is Warped Tour. I did that a few years. I even stopped going to that just because, especially here in Florida, it might have been more fun in other states up north, but it's just so hot right in the middle of summer. Not worth it. And it rains so much in the summer in Florida, so you have a high chance of your favorite bands getting rained out anyways. So I went to that a few years and then I just never went again. And I've never been to anything else. I don't think I would have fun, but I would love to hear about your experiences if you guys have ever been to a festival. I'm gonna take Hipster now, which is the brown. I'm just taking that on a teeny tiny little blending brush. And I'm only focusing this in the outer corner just to add depth. Like I said, I don't want the browns to take over with this look. I want it to stay colorful. So I'm basically just using this to deepen up the outer corner. I keep going to chat and then crazy loud cars start driving by, so If I'm being extra quiet, I apologize, but traffic is nuts outside. So that's kind of it for the mattes. What I'm thinking is for my lid, I want to put that queen shade, which was this one here, kind of in the outer half, and then hollow all across the rest of my lid and in my inner corner. And then I want to smoke this one out under the lower lash line because I like a shimmer on the lower lash line. I think that'll be cute there. But I'm going to start first by laying my NYX glitter primer all across my lid because I want these metallics to be as metallic as possible. And I'm going to dip into Queen first, and this is a flat brush from Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to start stamping that kind of in this outer area of my eye. I'm not too worried about making this look like a faux cut crease in this outer corner, but once I add hollow, I am going to be very crisp and precise with where I place it. It's cute. Now I'm just using that exact same brush. I'm just flipping it over and then dipping into hollow. I'm going to place that across the rest of my lid. Like I said, I want this to be a little bit more cut creasy looking, although I don't know if it's going to do that because this doesn't seem insanely opaque. But you know what? It'll get the message across. It'll work. It's still going to be cute, I promise. Then I'm just going to go back and forth between Queen and hollow until this kind of fuses together nicely across the lid. I think that's looking kind of cute, actually. Now I'm just going to take the shadow side of one of these dual-ended Anastasia brushes because I really like them for the lower lash line. Popping some of that NYX glitter primer underneath first, just again for maximum metallic payoff. And then I'm going to dip into Center Stage. And we're going to start working that underneath. Then I'm just going to take that brush that I used with the brown just to start smudging that outer corner so it can kind of flow, so it doesn't look like a harsh transition between the lower lash line and the top, and then just kind of smoke this out just a little bit so it's not just a straight line underneath my eyeball. I like the way that looks in my lower lash line. I'm going to dip into hollow now just with my pinky to pop in that inner corner. And then just blend it out with that first, not the first brush, but the brush I used with the pink. Ooh, cute. And then I think I'm going to go in with my Boots liner from Colourpop because of that pinky purpleness that's in the crease. I feel like I use this eyeliner a lot, but I just think it's really freaking cute. I think it's coming together. I have some more plans. I'm going to do the other eye and then we'll be back because I have a few more things I want to do with this look. All right, so this is where we're at, and I actually am really liking the vibe it's kind of taking. I don't know, it's like, excuse me, laptop, calm down. It's kind of like grungy alien festival. I don't know what I'm saying, but I want to add some glitter. Instagram recently alerted me that of a post that I posted a year ago, and I used to use this glitter specifically all the time. It's Lucid Dreams from Orglamix, and I was inspired to use it yet again, so I'm going to. It's just really pretty. It's like holographic stars and moons and little just pieces, and it's so pretty. And looking at it right now, I can't believe I ever stopped using it. I'm taking my NYX glitter primer, and I just kind of wiped off that brush that I used for my lower lash line. I'm going to start popping it in my outer corner. This is how I used to always wear my glitter, and I still do it. But I used to do this all the freaking time. Just dipping right in and packing it on. So pretty. Instantly makes everything better. Just dipping into kind of the top so I can get the smaller pieces. So I like it to kind of spread out as it goes out, get a little bit faded. How did I ever forget how pretty this glitter was? Now it's a freaking festival. I love it. So another thing I wanted to do is I got this Little White Lie white mascara from Colourpop. I thought this might be cute on my lower lashes with this look. Ooh. I like that. I now need to make my eyes match. I need to throw on lashes too and mascara on my top lids, lashes, whatever. I'm actually currently watching Twilight because I will always be a Twilight fan. So I'm going to finish up this look, put on my lipstick and lashes and glitter, and we will finish this video up. So this is the final look. What do you think? I really like it actually. I really like this white mascara. I feel like it just kind of adds something really interesting that I wouldn't normally get without it. I don't know. That is such a weird way of saying I think it looks cool. I love this glitter. I forgot how pretty this glitter was. It's just, it's magical. I need to wear it more often because I just, makes everything look good. Like I already really liked this look, but then when I added the pink eyeliner and then the glitter and then the white mascara, it's just like adding all those little things just really tie it together for me. On my lips, I went with Jazzy Gloss from Dose of Colors. I just feel like if I'm gonna be at a festival all day, I want something that's going to wear easy throughout the day and that I won't have to deal with touching up. Not that I'm going to a festival, I'm just gonna stay here and finish watching Twilight. What do you think of this look? What do you think of how I use those colors? Would you have used them differently? I want to hear your thoughts. Which one is your favorite between the two? My heart still really gravitates towards the Weekend Festival from last year, but the Color Festival's fun. I still need to play with it more to get my full thoughts. I will do a 3 looks 1 palette on it eventually, whenever I get to it. And I mean, I don't hate it or anything. I just don't know if I love it as much as Weekend Festival, you know? That one would be really hard to beat because I really enjoyed that palette. It was one of my favorites of last year. If you enjoyed this palette bingo with the 2 festival palettes, please give it a thumbs up. There are definitely going to be more palette bingos coming your way because I just really love doing them. It really gets my creative juices flowing. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post at least 5 days a week, sometimes 6, sometimes 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.